Hey, what's up? It's Andrew Hale, 20-year vet, direct sales and marketing. Hey, I want to talk about tips for using the telephone, tips for your call center. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to throw out some good information that'll help you convert more appointments this year. Hey, let's get right into it, okay? So the first tip I want to give you when using the telephone to convert raw leads into appointments or cold calling or even following up with internet leads is your organization is going to need a process or a script to assist and make it easier for your customer, all right? Look, I've heard a lot of organizations tell me that, hey, look, we don't like scripts, we're not into scripts. Look, guys, the script is not for you, it's for your customer. The script is to help make that process easier for your customer to go from hello to getting the information they need and having an appointment set. I learned that from studying at Cardone University, okay? So definitely implement your script. I mean, throughout the last 20 years of my career, we've always had a process or a script, but what I've encountered is over the last 10 years working with businesses that a lot of businesses do not have scripts or they do not have a process. The script is extremely important. I've developed a 5-step process that'll take you from hello to having that appointment set. So definitely hit me up, okay? I've included a link below with my email address, also my phone number. Hit me up, man. I want to help you out. I'll get you that 5-step process, answer any questions about how it can work for your organization, okay? So having that process is number one. Number two, all right, is you need to understand what a pattern interrupt is and how to use one effectively, all right? This is key in telemarketing, whether you're cold calling or following up with leads. Look, customers and your clients are conditioned to telemarketing calls. No one likes them, all right? And they have autoresponders, okay? When you get someone on the phone who maybe is loud and excited, all right? Immediately they go, oh my God, it's another telemarketer, regardless of whether they've talked to your organization before or not. So you need to study what a pattern interrupt is, okay? And if you need some more information on how to utilize this during your initial icebreaker or opener, all right, in your call process, hit me up, send me an email, okay? I can help you with that as well, all right? But you need to implement and understand what a pattern interrupt is, okay? Number three is you are going to need to utilize role playing in your organization to get good at your craft, okay? Look, man, training is something that you do, not something you did, okay? That is something that I've heard from Brad Lee, who runs an amazing organization, you know, and you look at all the best professional athletes, the best salespeople, the best marketers, the best people practice their craft. Role playing every day in a call center is mandatory, okay? You need to understand as an entrepreneur, as a marketing manager, as a sales manager, as a business owner, that your team is delivering the message that you want to have them deliver. And the best way to do that is through role playing, okay? Have you ever in your organization went to role play with somebody, all right, and you said, hey, when the customer says this, what do you say? That individual then responds, right? And it's totally incorrect. And you look at him, you say, hey, look, man, that is not what we train, and that's not our script. And the individual looks at you and says, well, that's not how I say it when I'm really doing it. Well, guys, it is, okay? That is how they say it when it's live with the customer, all right? That's why role play is important. It needs to sound exactly like it sounds with your customer when you are role playing, okay? Role playing gives you an opportunity to throw in objections, all right, and to get better at your craft. So you need to role play every day in your call center. Even if you are a solopreneur, you're setting appointments, hey, you need to practice that, recite that, all right, video yourself, all right, making those calls and role playing, okay? This will help you out tremendously, okay? The next tip I want to give you is you need to utilize a CRM system. It's unbelievable. In the last 2 weeks, I've spoke with hundreds of organizations, and it is unreal how many organizations are not using software to track their conversion ratios, to input their customer data, all right? These guys are flying by the seat of their pants, okay? And they have no data capture system, no way to get reports, all right, on conversion ratios, closing ratios, how many projects they got from a one lead source. Guys, using a CRM system is critical in your business. If you're gonna succeed, you need one, okay? All right, and the companies that are out there succeeding in your marketplace, they're using them. So invest in a CRM system. If you do not have a CRM system, hey, look, I can refer you to some great companies that have amazing software that's very affordable, okay? So hit me up, I can get you that information as well. The other thing, guys, is utilizing time correctly in your call center. Look, if you're working an 8-hour shift, there should be a metrics in your call center that says how many appointments you should set in that 8-hour shift, all right? Whether it's one every hour, one every 2 hours, depending on your industry, it can be different, okay? But ultimately, everyone in your call center needs to be aware of that metrics, all right? But not just being aware of the metrics, all right, but also using time to your advantage. So stopping at the top of the hour, going around the room, gauging results, finding out how many do you have, where are you at in relation to your goal. This will help you, okay, guys? So these are some tips that you can use to increase your conversion ratios this year. If you like the video, throw me a thumbs up. Hey, I'm looking to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, by April. So if you like the video, subscribe. If I've brought you any value, subscribe. This is a big push and a big goal, 1,000 subscribers by April. Thanks for your help getting there. If you liked the video, again, throw me a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a comment. Tell me what you didn't like about it. It's Andrew Hale, 20-year veteran, direct sales and marketing. Guys, I help companies recruit marketing and sales staff. I also help companies put together lead generation programs and also do call center and sales training. Hey, give me a call, Andrew Hale. Click the link below. I've included my email.